Today we will show you how to split your screen. Okay, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, if you want to split your videos, like any screen you want, okay, just follow these steps. Okay, first go, you are sitting. After this, just go to down and go to general. Okay, this general. After this, just put it down and go. You will one picture to picture. One second, guys. Did you see? Okay, picture in picture. This, did you see? This is picture in picture. Just click it and you will be like start pip automatically. Okay, just you will find like this. Just use like this. Okay, guys, and finally we will now to go to test. Okay, I will use now YouTube or something like that. Okay, YouTube. Okay, I will choose my videos. Okay, choose maybe the last video like this. Okay,
Today we'll show you how to
okay,
clear
you see this?
temp files in
So
your PC.
now
Okay, just follow
it's
this
everything,
steps.
it's okay. Okay, guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.